Hi, I'm Sveta from Home Staging Step by Step, and I'm a professional home stager since 2006, helping hundreds of home sellers and realtors to sell their properties fast for most money and with least amount of overwhelm. So today I want to talk about the latest trend that's really exploding right now in April 2020 as we're all going through a difficult situation, and that is the importance of videos for home tours. Now, as you probably are aware, if you're selling your house now or soon, right now there's a lot of restrictions in terms of physical visiting of properties. And I think that trend is not going to go away because everybody wants to stand out from the crowd. There is more and more buyers who not only pre-select properties online, but are actually purchasing properties online, as surprising as it might sound, but that's happening more and more. So the importance of a video tour is amazing, and you really should consider doing it. Now, there are different names for different tours, and there's a little bit of confusion, and I want to clarify it. So some agents take photos and then they set them to music and they call that a video tour, which it's not really. And then there are some professionals who use very specific, very expensive camera equipment to take a particular type of photos, which then allow a buyer to navigate inside a photo and kind of turn it around and spin it on itself so they can see how the room actually looks from all the different angles. So that's called 3D virtual tours. But today what I want to talk about, and I'm going to give you a lot more tips. I actually have 11 tips that come directly from a professional photographer and a professional videographer whose opinion I ask because I'm not an expert. But if you can't get a professional to your house to do professional type of video, then at least you can do one yourself with your phone. And there are different tips that we recommend, and it's things that I would never think about, like for example, how to position your body in the middle of the room, where you should stand, how high do you hold your iPhone or your Android phone to film the video, and where you go from side to side, how you twist your head, how you set up the grid, which helps you to stabilize the camera. So there's a lot of very, very good tips that I really recommend you go read my article. I'll set up the link to it right here. And then what you need to do is to go practice, and you go and make a nice little video, couple of minutes of your house once it's staged, of course, so the house has to look impeccable. It becomes even more important right now to do so because the people are going to be judging and possibly buying your house just from photos and a video. So go read my article, and if you have any questions, you can contact me. This is Sveta from homestagingstepbystep.com. See you later.